is Jasmyn.
And Janaia.
And today we're going to see who can make the bounciest ball. If you haven't seen the video we made a long time ago, we did a video slime versus bouncy ball because I accidentally made a bouncy ball. So we're going to try to do that again, but we're going to be adding decorations. I chose these and a blue glitter.
I chose these and purple glitter.
And I have pink and clear glue.
I have purple and clear glue.
And of course the borax mixed into the water. So let's get started. Okay, let's pour in our glues.
Oh, make sure yours doesn't fall in.
This blue glitter is going to go really good with the pink.
This purple glitter is going to go really good with this purple. It sounds weird, but yes, I know.
Okay, now I'm going to add in my pink.
And now I'm going to add in my purple. I like the color of it. It comes out really fast. See? It's all the way over down there.
Yeah.
I want to get all of it out.
Okay. I'm going to mix it in while Janaia is still trying to get that little bit up. I just left a little bit in there.
Same with me. I can't waste time. Because I can't wait until it turns to slime.
Or into a ball.
Yeah, a slime ball.
I see all these air bubbles in it because it's clear. Look at it. I'm going to add in the glitter.
I'm going to add in my sequins.
Oh, well then I'm going to add in my sequins. Oh, it has some glitter in it.
It does?
Yeah.
Ooh, mine does too. Wait, no it doesn't. Mine looks really good with purple, the sequins.
This looks really cool. I'm going to mix this in.
I'm not gonna mix mine in until I pour in this one because I love to mix in whenever I want.
Okay, now that I got that mixed,
I can't open this.
I'm going to do my gold sequins. I had rose gold and gold.
I had orange gold and gold.
You mean a dark or orange tinted gold?
Yeah.
Just look at this.
It looks so pretty with the color.
And the colors of the sequins.
Yeah. It looks like the sequence is stuck inside of the glue, like it's slime, but it really isn't.
I'm for the glitter.
Okay, found it. Wait, what? Oh, it's coming out. It's stuck in my hand.
Mine's is stuck.
It just came out a while ago.
There you go.
Yours is harder.
Exactly. I had to get my mom to open it. That was really hard.
Mine came out like a waterfall, but now it's coming out like a
Do you see this?
something.
This skin looks so
Ooh.
pretty. Just look at it. Mine looks like mermaid slime.
Mine looks
Whoa.
like, I don't know.
I guess it's gonna be a mermaid bouncy ball.
And I guess mine is going to be a mystery bouncy ball. Which thing do you think mine is going to be?
Whoa, you see this?
I love glitter.
Are you seeing this?
Whoa, are you seeing this? This just covered up all of the sequins.
I can still see sequins, but I can't see pink.
This is literally just glitter and glue and sequins, but I could barely see the sequins.
Look at this. Look at this. This looks so pretty, like a disco ball. I accidentally got some glitter into my borax solution.
And also, both of ours look like a disco.
This looks like the sea. Okay, so we have our borax solution and we're about to pour it in.
By the way, we put glitter in it so it could look really pretty. So don't mind the color or the glitter in it.
At first, I accidentally put the glitter in, and then Janaia did it, and then it was like a really good idea, and it's already becoming slime, so...
Yep, so make sure you don't add too much.
Well, actually, for the bouncy ball, you need to add too much. That's what made it the bouncy ball.
True. So forget what I just said if you're trying to make a bouncy ball.
Okay, so that's how it's like so far. I'm gonna need some more borax.
I got a lot of borax in it, and it's starting to get hard to mix, but it's still mixing.
Okay, so I feel like mine is ready to turn into the bouncy ball.
Mine isn't. I have to add on a lot.
Yeah, it's bouncy ball ready. So just roll up my sleeves that's already rolled up and form this into a ball.
Mine is getting really hard, but it's not connecting. I don't think it's like a bouncy ball yet. So let me just, okay, it's like a bouncy ball. So I'm gonna roll up my sleeves that aren't rolled up.
Okay, this might need a little bit more borax because now it's filling and looking like slime. But it's almost there. I could feel it.
Mine's, whenever I squeeze it, it just, see look, I just can't explain it, see? It comes apart.
Yeah, that's how you could tell it's almost ready.
Yeah, mine needs more. It's kind of gooey, just a little. I might need a little bit more.
Look at this. It's so pretty.
There you go. I have a whole bucket filled of borax. I'm gonna put this down inside the borax.
Okay, I just need to roll it in the borax. And this should do the trick.
And make sure if you're making a bouncy ball, add in a lot. If you're not making a bouncy ball and just regular
Don't add
slime,
too much.
So this is really hard, but not hard enough. So I'm just gonna dip it in the borax like a disco ball and spin it everywhere.
And I think mine's is ready.
I need to turn mine's round.
Yeah, I'm just making mine round.
Mine's is slippery.
Mine's isn't. It's turning into the bouncy ball, as you saw.
Yep, mine's too, but it's really boraxy. See? It just made a mess.
Mine isn't boraxy anymore. See, look.
I have to make mine round.
I'm making mine round. And this could actually be really messy when you need it. Like the hard slime gets on your hand. But it's really easy to come off.
Because it's hard.
It almost feels like the instant snow, the fake snow.
If you haven't seen that video out, check that out.
Okay. Now back to rolling. Now it's starting to get flat, so I'm just going to roll it back into the ball. And it's starting to get hard to like even make it anything, so I need to keep it in a ball so that when it hardens, it stays a ball.
So mine isn't boraxy anymore. It all formed into the thing, and now it's turning a ball. See, look. It's really bouncy.
And look how pretty these are. Do you see this?
Wow.
But now it's time for the bounce test. Okay, we're gonna bounce it first from this height. 3, 2, 1, go. I think mine's bounced really high.
Mine did too.
Now this high. 3, 2, 1, go.
Wow.
Okay, this high. Whoa. Okay,
Mine's bouncing
this
really
high. 3, 2, 1. Wow. Okay, now I'm just gonna like bounce it. Whoa.
Make sure it doesn't break, because if it breaks, you won't be able to put it back together because how hard it is.
Unless it's like really soft and bendy a little like this.
Did you see that? Look. And make sure it does not go in your face.
Now look at this.
It's so fun to play with, and it's beautiful.
We could even play catch. Watch this.
She's gonna use hers. And I'm
And
gonna
then we're gonna use hers.
Whoa, yours feels good.
Okay, now let's use hers. Yours also feels good. Okay, so now this is a comparison on how they look. This is so cool. Actually, I think we should do a glow-in-the-dark bouncy ball. Comment down below if you want to see that.
Because that is going to be really fun.
Okay, but this would be a really good lab, chemistry lab, science experiment. This is awesome. See, look. You can even bounce it like a basketball.
Whoa, mine fell.
Bounce it like a basketball.
Whoa, hers bounced all over the floor.
Oh my. It's not hairy. No.
Like, this was really cool. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to subscribe. And don't forget to like this video. If you really want us to see the glow-in-the-dark bouncy ball, just comment down below. And I hope you like this video.
Don't forget to smash that like button.
We'll see you guys next time.
Bye.
Bye.